Hey there, Matt here. Quite often people ask me what licenses are required to actually get the food trailer, okay? Now that's a really good question. It's not actually that difficult. So there's essentially 2 licenses you need, or maybe only 1 depending on the situation, okay? Well, let's call it 2 to make it easy, okay? So first, you need to actually have that your food trailer is complied, okay? So your food trailer needs to comply with your local government health regulations. Now we guarantee that all our food trailers will comply with local government health regulations, and if they don't, for some reason some crazy inspector came along and it wasn't approved, right? Then what we'd actually do is go through and actually make sure we fix it until it did. Okay, that's basically what we do. Okay, so we guarantee that it's guaranteed in writing. Okay. Second thing you need is a food safety handling license. That can be easily done online yourself. You just literally Google food safety handling license. You go through and do that license. It's no problem. It's nice and easy to do. Okay. You'll need that for yourself because quite often the local council will ask for that, and also festival organisers and stuff will ask for that, knowing that you actually know what you're doing handling food. Okay. Now, I said 2, but in case there is a 3rd one, and sometimes there is, if you wanted to be set up in a permanent location that's generally controlled by either a local or state government, okay, if you're going to be there for a long period of time, generally they want an actual permit. Now, if you're coming and going and changing all the time, you're not so bad, okay? Most people don't get a permit because they're just coming and going all the time, but at least you know where you stand in relation to what type of licenses you need for your food trailer or food truck. So really hope that helps you and allows you to get a little bit more information and help you understand just how easy it is to get into your own food trailer or food truck.